Welcome to the 30-Day English Learning Challenge. Hello, and welcome. I'm so excited that you've decided to join this 30-Day English Learning Challenge. Over the next month, you'll have fun, learn something new every day, and grow more confident in speaking, reading, writing, and listening to English. The idea is simple. Every day, you'll do small, fun activities that make learning enjoyable, not stressful. Why a challenge? Because learning a new language is easier when it feels like a game. Each day will bring you closer to your goals, whether that's traveling, meeting new people, or watching your favorite movies without subtitles. Day 1 is super important because it sets the tone for the rest of the challenge, so let's make it exciting and memorable. Ready? Let's dive into Day 1. Day 1. Start strong and have fun. Step 1. Know your why. Before we start, ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? This is a big question, and your answer will help you stay motivated. Maybe you want to travel and talk to locals, get a better job, or understand English songs and movies. Take 10 minutes to write your reason in a notebook. Try writing it in English. For example, I want to learn English so I can make friends from other countries. Your why is your power. Whenever you feel stuck, look back at this reason to remind yourself why you started. Step 2. Learn 5 fun words. Let's start learning some cool English words that are easy to use in everyday life. Here are 5 words for today. Awesome, great, or amazing. Example, this cake is awesome. Chill, to relax. Example, let's chill and watch a movie. Binge watch, watching many episodes of a show at once. Example, I binge watched my favorite series last weekend. Hangry, hungry plus angry. Example, I get so hangry if I don't eat lunch. Buzzing, feeling excited. Example, I'm buzzing about my trip next week. Write these words in your notebook. Try making your own sentences with them. You don't have to be perfect. Just have fun. Step 3. Play a word game. Now it's time to make learning a game. Spend 20 minutes playing a word game. Here are some ideas. Word search. Download a simple English word search puzzle online. Scrabble. Play the board game or its digital version. Apps. Try apps like Wordscapes or Duolingo, which turn learning into a fun experience. This step is about enjoying yourself while picking up new words and improving your spelling. Step 4. Sing your favorite English song. Music makes learning English super fun. Pick an English song you like, such as Imagine by John Lennon, Shape of You by Ed Sheeran, Count on Me by Bruno Mars. Find the lyrics online and listen to the song while reading along. Try singing along too. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Singing helps improve your pronunciation and rhythm. If you want to practice more, use websites like Lyrics Training to fill in the missing words from the lyrics. Step 5. Watch a fun English video. Choose a short video in English, such as a comedy skit, a cartoon, or a YouTube vlog. You can check out channels like BBC Learning English or English Addict with Mr. Steve. While watching, try to catch 5 new words or phrases. Write them down and look up their meanings. For example, word, delicious meaning, very tasty. Sentence, this pizza is delicious. Watching videos helps you get used to how English sounds in real life. Step 6. Start a visual vocabulary journal. Now it's time to get creative. Start a vocabulary journal where you can write down new words you learn. Add drawings, stickers, or pictures to make it fun. For each word, include the word awesome, its meaning, great or amazing. A sentence, this cake is awesome. A picture, draw a happy face or a cake. This activity makes learning colorful and helps you remember words better. Step 7. Practice speaking in front of a mirror. Let's practice speaking. Stand in front of a mirror and say, "Hi, my name is your name." I'm learning English because it's fun and exciting. Talk about your favorite hobby or food. Pretend you're ordering at a cafe. Can I have a cup of coffee, please? Speaking to yourself might feel funny, but it's a great way to build confidence. Step 8. Reflect on your day. At the end of the day, take 10 minutes to reflect on what you learned. Write a short diary entry in English. For example, today I learned 5 new words: awesome, chill, hangry, binge watch, and buzzing. I listened to Imagine by John Lennon and sang along. It was a fun day. It's okay if your sentences aren't perfect. Just focus on expressing yourself. Step 9. Reward yourself. Learning should feel good, so reward yourself. Maybe watch a movie, eat your favorite snack, or take a relaxing walk. Celebrate the fact that you completed day 1. You're amazing. Sample day 1 schedule. First, take 10 minutes to reflect on your why. Think about your reasons for learning English and write them down. Next, spend 10 minutes learning 5 fun English words and making sentences with them. After that, it's time for a game. Use 20 minutes to play a word game like a word search, Scrabble, or an app like Duolingo. Then, switch gears and sing along to an English song. Dedicate 15 minutes to listening, reading the lyrics, and singing. Once you've had some musical fun, watch a short English video. Spend 15 minutes watching something engaging and writing down new words or phrases. Now, get creative. Take 10 minutes to start your vocabulary journal. Write down today's new words, their meanings, and examples. Add some drawings or colors if you like. It's speaking time. Stand in front of a mirror and practice saying simple sentences for 10 minutes. As the day winds down, spend 10 minutes writing a short diary entry in English about what you did and learned today. Finally, reward yourself. Take a quick 5 minutes to enjoy something you love. A snack, a video, or just a moment to relax. Final words for day 1. Day 1 is all about starting strong and having fun. You've already taken the most important step by deciding to learn English. Remember, this journey is about progress, not perfection. Enjoy the process and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're part of learning. You've got this. Let's get ready for day 2 tomorrow, where we'll continue to build on today's excitement. Keep smiling and learning. You're on your way to greatness. Are you ready to take this 30-day challenge to learn English? I'm so excited to have you on this journey. Tell me in the comments below, what is your why for learning English? Whether it's for travel, work, or just for fun, I'd love to hear your reason. Remember, learning English is not just about the words. It's about building confidence and opening up new possibilities. Let's make this challenge fun, inspiring, and something you'll be proud of completing. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for daily tips, and share it with a friend who might want to join us. Together, will make the next 30 days unforgettable. See you tomorrow for day 2.